guess we'd love to hear your perspective on kind of what you think the big roadblocks still are to getting legislation passed, and also maybe whether there's some members of Congress who will say one thing to the public, but then behind the scenes maybe not really be pushing that heavily.
Yeah, well, I think the challenge now I don't think it's hypocrisy as much because there's so much scrutiny. If a member of Congress were to say, look, I'm co-sponsoring the bill, and then try to kill it internally, that would probably leak. But I think the challenge has been that the leadership hasn't been willing to put the bill on the floor. I think if they would put it on the floor, then force a vote. Mm-hmm. And it would be very hard, in my view, for members of Congress to vote against the bill. I mean, they're not going to vote to continue their own stock trading when this is something that so many Americans are opposed to. So I think the key is, how do we get an actual vote on it in the House? How do we get a vote on it in the Senate, where it requires 60 votes?